Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be featuring the stamp set Dandelion Wishes, and we are going to be making this cute little card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have the largest scallop square from the Layering Squares framelits. And I have that with Whisper White. And then I have the largest regular square with Coastal Cabana. And we'll just run that through. Okay, and I'm going to take my Coastal Cabana and I am going to get my embossing buddy. And I'm just going to run that over. And the stamp set we're using is Dandelion Wishes, and we are going to be using these 3 dandelions, and I made a wish and you came true. So I have my Versamark, and then I have the dandelions mounted on clear block E. All right, and now I'm going to put my white embossing powder all over. Just like that. And I'm going to come in with my heat gun. All right, so put that aside. And next I have another, just a scrap piece of Whisper White. And I'm going to come in with my Coastal Cabana ink. And then I have the sentiment mounted on clear block C. And I'm going to place it here in the middle, just like that. And I'm just going to come in with this punch and center that, just like that. All right, so let's start putting this card together. I have a piece of Whisper White Thick as my card base, and this measures 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of the Bright's Designer Series paper, and this measures 2 by 5.5, and that is Coastal Cabana as well. I'm just going to put this down with my snail adhesive. And I'm going to put it about right there. Next, I'm going to put our dandelions down. Whoop, let me get a snail refill real quick. So these are simple to change. Just take out the little cardboard piece, pop this out, and pop it back in, and we are back in business. All right, so I'm just going to place it down on the white scallop, just like that. And I have some Whisper White baker's twine, and I'm just going to make a small bow around it. Let me make that a little tighter. All right, and I want it smaller than this. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tape this down in the back here. Okay, just like that. Next, I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, and I'm going to place it right here. And let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to pop that up as well. So just like that. And I'm going to come in with some glitter enamel dots. And these come in Coastal Cabana as well, so they will be matching. And I'm just going to put them here in the center of the dandelions. I'm going to take this smaller one and put it in the smaller dandelion. All right, so here you have it. A quick and simple card using Dandelion Wishes. Remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!